Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a coin counting machine works step by step in an easy way. First, loose coins are placed into the top hopper of the machine. This hopper holds a large number of mixed coins and guides them toward the internal counting system. Next, the feed mechanism starts moving the coins forward. It spreads the coins and sends them one by one into the machine so that coins do not overlap or jam during counting. After that, each coin passes through the detection area. In this part, sensors examine the coin carefully while it moves along the track. Then, the machine checks important features of the coin, such as its size, thickness, and material. Optical sensors may measure the diameter, while magnetic sensors can help identify the metal type. After collecting this information, the processor compares the sensor readings with stored coin data. In this way, the machine identifies the correct denomination, such as 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, or 10 rupees. Next, the coin moves toward the sorting section. A gate or sorting track directs the coin into the correct slot or pocket according to its denomination. Then, coins of the same value are collected together in separate bins, tubes, or pockets. This makes it easy to separate different types of coins automatically. Finally, the machine adds the number and value of all the coins. The total count and total amount are shown on the display screen, making the process fast, accurate, and efficient. Therefore, a coin counting machine saves time, reduces human error, and helps banks, shops, and businesses count large amounts of coins quickly and correctly. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.